Just got a short burst, but I was able to get the stand brought in here. Gentleman ordered it yesterday. Going to Florida. He requested black, so did it up black. I'm going to document, like I said, this whole litter with Blackfoot. Getting ready to go to day 2 of the 3-day pre-breeding worming. This safeguard isn't good tasting, and I told you yesterday I was treating her like a 50-pound dog, and that's because when it gets in her mouth, they'll shake it and they'll spill some out. So this way I know she's getting the correct dosage for her, and if I'm not giving enough, and it's hard to hurt them with this, if I'm not giving enough of it, I'm really causing her more harm than good. The worms are building up the internal parasites are getting a little leg up. They're building a resistance, and I want to make sure that that's not happening. We're on a pretty extensive worming program here, and you know, preventive maintenance. I'm gonna set this down, pointed down at the ground. That's it. I know, girl. I know. I've done shuck up the wormer medicine. She wants to see what's going on. She'll run from me here in a little bit. I filled that up. I don't know if you can see it. That's 2.53 cc's, just under 2.8. Get her. And there, put my finger over it. But there you can see she's shaking her head. She's not digging that stuff. She gets it on her. Mama, good girl. And then I'll do that same amount again, or close to it. 2.8, I'll go down to 2.5 this time. And that's she's running from me now. She don't want this second dose. I don't blame her. But in there you see the stuff that she's slinging all over, shaking her head, because like I said, this is not the best tasting stuff. But like I said, that's day 2. Good girl, Mama. Good girl, Blackfoot. I should have brought you a treat, and I didn't. And while I'm here, I might as well go through this. You know, we talk about containment. She's in a 1/4-inch chain. She's got a shackle, a couple shackles put together, a piece of 1-inch rebar with 3-inch pipe cut in half and welded to it. That shackle rotates. It's free. Then on the end here, come here. I know. On the end of her here, I'll have to get her between my legs and slow her down. We've got another shackle to an overdone swivel carabiner straight to the D-ring on the collar. Want to show you our neck, no neck rub. This is how we contain, in varying degrees, all our dogs. She's on about she's on a 20 foot spot. She's got a big area. Not over in this area much, running it. You know, that's she craps over here. But that's her spot. And that's, you know, these collars. I post on Facebook. I talk to people at shows. One guy has complained about them, and I think it's bullshit. I think he was just mad because I was talking shit about his idol, or his idol was talking shit about me. He had gotten a hold of me, said that he didn't put the collars on the dogs, so he didn't know if they were on too tight or not. But he got some neck rub on them, and they have to be on too tight. I've had people tell me they help cure the neck rub. They can put these on their dogs that have neck rub, and their neck rub goes away. Goji, she's slinging mud on me. Same thing, you know what I mean? Same deal, varying degrees. It's just the way we contain. You know, it's I haven't talked much about these collars and leads and stuff. I think I might take a day and make a good video on them. You know, they're all like I said, all varying degrees. She was in her house, but I noticed earlier she seemed, yeah, ripped my pants down. She seemed a little hemmed up with all this rain we got. It's not easy. It's not difficult for the muck to build up. Good girl. Junebug. I get her and Goji confused. They look so much alike to me. That's like I always call Rocky Hammer. I don't understand it. But that's a little combo deal. But day 2 of the worming was the most important thing. It rained a bit ago again. We got a little squall. Radar says we're gonna get a break for another 15 minutes. Gonna go get milk bones, pass them out, and little treats for the little puppies. And then hopefully I can beat the rain. Again, Happy New Year. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. We appreciate it.